If you've ever opened Canva and thought, wow, I wish I could design like that, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and follow Canva creators you'll love in 2025. This simple trick will help you connect with incredible designers, discover fresh styles, and fill your projects with creativity that truly stands out. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and head over to the Templates tab. Think of this as your creative playground. It's where you'll find thousands of design ideas for everything from social media posts and business presentations to resumes and planners. Take a moment to scroll through the templates. Don't rush, explore freely. Look for designs that instantly catch your attention or match the vibe you're going for. Maybe it's a minimal, clean layout or something bold and colorful. When a design speaks to you, click on it to see more details. On the templates page, you'll notice the creator's name displayed near the title. This is your gateway to discovering more from that designer. Click on the creator's name, and here's where the real magic happens. You'll now be on the creator's profile page where you can browse through all their templates, styles, and collections. It's like stepping into their personal design world. If you find yourself loving what they make, simply hit the follow button. By following a creator, you'll see their latest designs right in your Canva feed, making it easy to stay inspired and discover new ideas as they're published. It's not just convenient, it's a powerful way to build your creative network inside Canva. And here's the best part. Following creators helps you grow as a designer. You're not just filling your feed, you're learning, connecting, and surrounding yourself with people who inspire you to keep creating. The more creators you follow who align with your style, the richer your Canva experience becomes. So the next time you're designing, don't just search for templates, search for creators. Follow the ones who spark your imagination and let their work fuel your next masterpiece. That's it. A quick and complete guide to finding and following Canva creators you'll love in 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Canva tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. And as always, keep exploring, keep designing, and let your creativity shine.